Are you looking for the best tattoo machine for beginners to start your body art journey safely? I analyzed 5 exceptional entry-level tools designed to help you practice techniques and develop professional skills. Product number 1. Wormhole Tattoo Pen Kit. This complete pen kit offers an outstanding balance of control and comfort for aspiring artists who want to master their skills. The Rotary machine simulates the exact feel of an actual writing pen to make lining and shading intuitive for newcomers. It operates with very low vibration to minimize hand fatigue during long practice sessions on synthetic silicone skin. The comprehensive package provides essential supplies, including cartridge needles and practice ink, so you can begin drawing immediately. I appreciate how the steady power supply maintains consistent voltage output to prevent sudden stalling or dangerous spikes. The ergonomic grip accommodates small or large hands comfortably without causing any unnecessary strain or accidental slippage. Its durable aluminum alloy chassis promises long-term resilience through countless training hours inside your home studio. The fluid needle depth adjustments allow you to explore different shading styles with total precision and complete confidence. For beginners who want a reliable and traditional rotary setup, this comprehensive collection delivers remarkable value across the board. Product number 2. TATTMUSE Tattoo Stencil Printer. This specialized thermal copier simplifies the complex process of creating precise stencils for your custom body artwork. It connects seamlessly to your smartphone or tablet via wireless Bluetooth to transfer custom designs almost instantly. The portable configuration allows you to print clean outlines without dealing with messy ink cartridges or expensive toners. It includes premium transfer sheets, so you can test the clarity of your stencils right away without waiting. I select this machine because it eliminates the tedious task of tracing intricate designs by hand for hours. The lightweight design fits neatly on any small studio desk or temporary workspace without creating any annoying clutter. Its reliable battery power ensures consistent printing performance during long preparation sessions before you begin tattooing. The companion application offers intuitive controls to resize or mirror your sketches with a single tap on the screen. If you want to ensure perfect alignment and flawless outlines, this modern device provides indispensable assistance every single time. Product number 3. LumenTip Wireless Tattoo Gun Kit. This wireless pen-style tool provides absolute freedom of movement by eliminating restrictive power cords and heavy bricks completely. The massive integrated battery pack delivers hours of continuous runtime for uninterrupted lining and shading practice on fake skin. An intuitive digital screen displays your current voltage setting and remaining power levels clearly for easy monitoring during work. The balanced weight distribution ensures comfortable handling and smooth movements across your chosen practice medium without tipping. I love how this cordless configuration mimics the exact layout of high-end professional equipment used in modern studios worldwide. The kit features premium cartridge needles that insert securely, with a simple twist action to save preparation time. Its internal motor runs quietly to create a calm working environment while you master complex shading techniques with patience. You can modify operating speeds quickly to match your personal pacing and hand speed requirements perfectly as you learn. This portable setup represents a fantastic investment for students who prioritize clean and highly mobile workspaces. Product number 4. PeriPage Wireless Tattoo Stencil Printer. This compact wireless printer streamlines stencil preparation through advanced thermal printing technology designed for modern tattoo artists. It pairs effortlessly with computers or mobile devices using stable Bluetooth or standard data cables depending on your preference. The design accommodates custom continuous paper to print large-scale back pieces or small sleeve designs smoothly without jamming. It generates high-resolution stencils that preserve every delicate detail of your original digital drawing with extreme fidelity. I observed that the fast printing speed saves significant time during busy practice sessions or structured classroom lessons. The internal rechargeable system eliminates the need for constant wall outlet proximity during your daily creative operations. Its durable exterior protects the internal components from accidental drops or impact damage in a bustling work environment. The accompanying software helps you adjust contrast levels to optimize stencil crispness before applying it to the skin. For beginners tracking an efficient pathway toward clean line transfers, this unit represents a top-tier choice overall. Product number 5. KOOBA Rotary Tattoo Gun Kit. This wired rotary setup combines traditional power mechanics with modern ergonomics for completely stable learning conditions. The complete package includes a dependable foot pedal and an external power box for hands-free speed management while working. It comes with multiple practice inks and sterilized cartridges to support diverse tattooing exercises and line experiments safely. The robust internal motor supplies steady needle puncture force to ensure uniform depth on thick practice sheets. I find that the distinct mechanical feedback helps novices understand machine behavior and needle resistance effectively from day one. Its solid metal construction minimizes internal wear to extend the overall lifespan of the entire system significantly over time. The textured handle ensures a non-slip hold when you are detailing intricate line work or filling large gradients carefully. Every component connects securely with heavy-duty cables to prevent frustrating power drops during your delicate creative process. This comprehensive starter kit offers a classic training platform to build strong foundational technical skills with absolute confidence. I recommend choosing the wireless pens for unmatched portability or the thermal stencil printers to perfect your outlines. All 5 options provide exceptional price compatibility for your learning journey.